Welcome to Ambassador Education Group, where excellence in education meets a legacy of over 30 years in Chiang Mai. Our establishment is comprised of 5 distinguished schools and a language centre, each offering unparalleled educational experiences tailored to meet the diverse needs of our families. Embark on a journey of discovery alongside us, commencing at Ambassador Bilingual Academy. Born from the acclaimed kindergarten Little Stars, ABA is now nurturing students from preschool through grade 12 with new innovative approaches. ABA's focus on real-life experiences, both inside and outside the classroom, empowers students to build essential life skills through captivating activities and enriching field trips, all within our state-of-the-art facility designed for optimal learning. At Ambassador Bilingual School ABS, established in 2009, we cultivate a culture of character and pride among our 839 students spanning preschool to grade 7. With a commitment to true values, ABS instills in students a sense of belonging and citizenship to their school and community. Discover our flagship institution, Unity Concord International School. Aligned with the rigorous standards of WASC accreditation, UCIS implements an American curriculum as a standard for all UCIS education. UCIS fosters collaboration and cultural understanding among its diverse student body, where over 1,078 students from 26 nationalities come together to create a vibrant learning environment. Experience the fusion of cultures at Americana Chinese International School, where language proficiency meets innovation. ACIS offers Chinese as a third language alongside an American curriculum, complete with a cutting-edge STEM lab for hands-on learning experiences. If you're looking to embrace more imaginative styles of learning, British Concordance International School, BCIS, our latest addition to the AEG family, has creativity and student experiences in mind. Since opening in September 2022, BCIS has set the standard for play-based learning, emphasising community, knowledge and character development through smaller class sizes and personalised engagement. Chiang Mai Education Centre Tutorial School, CEC, stands as a cornerstone of linguistic excellence, offering courses in Thai, English, French, Spanish and Chinese. CEC provides private or small group lessons, test preparation and a variety of programs to suit every learner's needs. At AEG, we understand the importance of choice and diversity in education. That's why we offer a wide range of options and personalised support to help families make informed decisions about their children's education. Thank you for considering Ambassador Education Group. We look forward to welcoming you and your family into our esteemed community soon.